Hi, my name is Grace, and today I'm going to show how InstrumentStudio can help you control and configure instruments, run custom measurements, and develop test sequences all within a single environment. Here in our setup today, we have a PXI chassis with a couple of PXI instruments to help run a low-pass filter test, a FET test, and an LED test here on our DUTs. Let's open InstrumentStudio to go ahead and get started. When you open up InstrumentStudio, you're prompted with a few different layouts. We can go ahead and select Auto Create Layout, and you'll see here that it automatically detected the instruments that we have in our system. And InstrumentStudio provides a wide range of out-of-the-box instrument panels like you see here for a variety of different PXI instruments. For our test today, we have an oscilloscope that we're using, an SMU, a DMM, and a waveform generator. InstrumentStudio also allows you to customize your layouts, which we can do here, to focus in on some of the instruments for your test. So you can go ahead and turn our waveform generator on in our oscilloscope, and you can see our waveform here. So it's very similar to the configurations and controls you would see on box instruments. To run custom measurements, InstrumentStudio allows you to integrate measurements developed in various programming languages through measurement plugins. Measurement plugins can be used within InstrumentStudio to provide users a no-code experience, while developers have the flexibility to program in their language of choice. To add measurement plugins, you can select Manual Layout, and InstrumentStudio will automatically detect the measurement plugins installed in your system so that you can quickly add them to any project. Here we have our three different measurement plugins. Our filter test and our FET test were programmed in LabVIEW, while our diode test was programmed in Python. You can create a panel for each measurement plugin, set the configurations, and run the measurement. Let's add our other tests really quick and run those. So you can see, as a user, I was able to quickly configure and run the test I needed without any programming. These measurement plugins allow developers to create reusable measurements that can be used across projects and teams, and NI provides free frameworks to develop plugins for both LabVIEW and Python. Lastly, InstrumentStudio provides an in-app sequencer tool to sequence interactive panels such as these as test steps in order to quickly automate those measurements. So here we have our sequencer, and we can go ahead and add each of these to our sequence. We can go ahead and run our test, and InstrumentStudio will show the results of our test as the sequence is running. Additionally, InstrumentStudio allows you to view the results of your instruments as well, such as the oscilloscope for one of our tests. So if we were going to go ahead and run this again, you can see the results of our test running at the instrument level and at the measurement level for interactive debugging. After each sequence is finished, a report is automatically generated so that you can view your results. From controlling instruments to automating custom measurements, InstrumentStudio provides a flexible configuration environment to help you reduce development time and validate quicker.